Here's how you can log a specific chat in WhatsApp on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it. If you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first thing I would do is that I would open up the App Store and check out the WhatsApp in the App Store. I would just literally look that up. And if there is an update available, make sure you install it so we end up on the same page. And, it's not like you're lacking some features because of an older version of the app. But once you have it, just open up the WhatsApp application as such and just locate the chat that you want to lock. Then you can swipe left on it. Two options are likely going to appear. We can archive it, meaning that it's going to disappear, or we have the more options indicated by the three dots. So we can click there, and there is literally the lock chat button. So you can tap that. You will get a little description or it's going to tell you what it's going to mean when you log this chat. You can click on continue. You can then scan your face to really authenticate yourself, and then the chat is going to disappear. In order to access it, just swipe down slightly from the top, and there is a section for locked chats. So again, you have to tap it, authenticate yourself either by Face ID or passcode. You get inside and you can browse the chat. And of course, to bring it back, just swipe left on it again, click on more and unlock the chat. And it will then return to the main chats page, and it's going to behave like a normal one. So that is the whole process behind it. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it worked below. But thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.